It's been just over a year since we got our first 3D printer, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K. So let's do a recap. We got it initially to print scattered terrain like barrels, barricades, and buildings and such for tabletop games to go with our first gaming table. We liked the Anycubic printer so much that we also got the Mono X and a Viper for our first FDM printer. Then we got an Ender 3 Pro that just wasn't working at all anymore off of a friend, which we repaired and upgraded with all new custom printed parts. We do a video of that whole process if you want to see it. Then a year ago today, actually, we got our Anycubic Cobra Max, and then an Ender 5 Plus, and a Bamboo Lab X1C. At this point, we were running out of space pretty quickly and had to move them out of the house. But then we got 5 more Anycubic Vipers, a Cobra 2, and a Creality K1. Therefore, we were quickly running out of space once again. So we had to get another spot, which we completely redid ourselves, including walls, tables, shelves, etc. Since then, we've gotten the Bamboo Lab P1S, the Anycubic Cobra Max 2, as well as 2 Anycubic Photon Mono X2s. So in our new shop, that brings us to a total of 18 printers, with even more on the way this year. A painting station with some custom printed paint holders, along with some of the really awesome things that we've made along the way, like all of these helmets, a full suit of armor that one of us even wore at a local fair, along with the armor stand for it, as well as another suit of armor that is well on its way to being completed. Now, starting 2024, our shop website as well as the TikTok shop are fully up and running. We booked 15 plus local fairs and have some really exciting projects and plans in the works. So be sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss out, and if you have anything you want us to print, let us know.